Back in Android 6.0, Google introduced a new feature to the OS called absolute volume. The goal with this feature was to synchronize the volume levels from your smartphone and your Bluetooth device that it's connected to. This has helped some people since it can be convenient to not have a separate volume slider specifically for your Bluetooth device. But this has also introduced some issues as well. Some people have noticed the volume level of their Bluetooth device is just too loud even when they have it set to the lowest volume level. Others have noticed that they need to crank the volume of their phone to 100% just to be able to hear things on their Bluetooth headset at a normal level. So if you have noticed your Bluetooth volume levels aren't what they should be, then disabling the absolute volume feature could be the solution for you. Before we can test this out though, we first need to enable developer mode on your Android smartphone or tablet. If you're not familiar with how this is done, be sure to check the video description below to find a link to a dedicated video that shows you all of the steps involved here. Once you have enabled developer mode, we should be able to find this hidden developer options menu somewhere in the settings app. On Samsung devices, the company puts the developer options menu right at the bottom of the main settings page. But OEMs like Google tend to tuck away this menu in the system section of the settings app. Once you find out where the developer options menu is, go ahead and begin scrolling through the big list of options here. Eventually, you will come across a networking section, and this is the area where you'll find many of the Bluetooth features as well. In here, you should see a toggle labeled Disable Absolute Volume. This toggle should be disabled by default, since Google finds it more convenient to have these volume levels synced together. But we can stop this from happening by enabling this toggle, which actually disables the absolute volume feature altogether. With this option toggled on, now you will want to connect your Bluetooth speaker or earphones to your smartphone or tablet again, and test to see if the volume levels are improved and they are more in line with what they should be.